Hey traders, it's Jeffrey from Ninjacators. If you've ever made a mistake trading, whether you're a new or a seasoned trader, you are not alone. We all do. So here are the top mistakes that traders make and how avoiding them can help you become a better trader and more profitable. First, you have to know your market or instrument. Not researching a market or a particular instrument, watching how it trades for several days or a long period of time fully before trading is a recipe for disaster. For example, the NQ versus the S&P versus the Dow, they all have different characteristics, okay? The NASDAQ can be very, very volatile, okay? The S&P, the ES, huge liquidity, okay? You need to know the liquidity, the volatility in order to make sure that you are in a position not to get into a bad trade and lots of slippage. Very common among new traders that are trying to trade the NASDAQ. They don't realize the volatility. They try to enter a trade and you are in 10 points away from where you want it to be in, okay? So, know your instrument. Also, know the entire category of what you're looking to trade. For example, if you're looking to get into Forex or the currency market futures, you need to pay attention to how the news affects their movement. Learn where you can get news reports. There are several great websites that are free, like investing.com, Financial Juice, lots of them, and you can find out when the news is being released, anticipate it, be careful not to trade during the news, and understand what the news can help you with respect to the bias of taking those trades. What about gold, oil, geopolitical events? You must know your market or instrument, okay? Next mistake new traders make is trading without a plan or a set of rules. A set of rules or a trade plan is going to help you eliminate emotions. It's going to prevent over trading. It's going to help you with your risk management, okay? These are rules that you must follow, okay? Risk management, set your stop loss on every single trade. If you enter a trade and you don't have a stop loss, you are going to lose money, okay? Stick to your stops. Don't hope that you're going to see a reversal and keep pulling your stop down or up. You're just going to lose more, okay? There are losses in trading. Expect to see some losses, stick to good stops, and you'll have better trade outcome, okay? Now what about your risk tolerance? Most traders like to trade with a 1 to 2% risk tolerance. That means whatever the size your account is, every trade you should be risking no more than 1 to 2%, okay? If you're trying to become a funded trader, understand what the drawdown is and set your stop loss accordingly so that you're risking no more than 10% of that drawdown on any particular trade. 5% if you're new, just to be on the safe side. What about over-reliance on indicators, okay? I see this all the time with new traders, okay? They show me their charts and they look something like this. 1,000,000 indicators on the chart. Look at this one. Oh my God. How can you even get any idea what's going on, okay? So, stick to a few indicators, understand how they help, and don't overdo it. It'll just paralyze you. You won't be able to make any decisions. You'll be just staring at your chart trying to figure it out, and boom, the trade is gone. How about emotional trading? Probably the number one thing that most traders hate is getting carried away with needing to get in a trade that you're afraid that you missed. That is called FOMO, fear of missing out. There are plenty of other trades. If you didn't get in at the right time, just wait for the next trade. Trust your rules, okay? What about keeping a trade record? You should journal your trades. Keep a record of every trade. Take a screenshot. That's what I do. I take a screenshot and I make notes right on the screenshot. And then that way you can learn from trades that didn't work out. You'll get great ideas for future trades as well, and you will be a better, more consistent trading. And finally, before you jump in and put real money at risk, paper trade. Trade in sim. Make sure that you're seeing winners. Make sure you're understanding your losers, okay? And that's what will help you become a much better trader. Give you confidence so that when you're trading with real money, you're doing a better job. Okay, that's it, traders. Pay attention to some of these rules and avoiding making mistakes by not following them, and you'll become better traders and more profitable.